Today, I want to show you how to solve a math problem that a lot of people get wrong. So here's a question. 3 multiplied by parentheses 2 plus 18 divided by 2 times 3. Take a moment and see if you can solve it before I show you the answer. Now, many people get this question wrong because they make one mistake with the order of operations. Some people answer 15. Let's go through it carefully and see why. The key idea in this question is the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The first thing we check is whether we have parentheses, and in this problem we do. So we must work inside the parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, we have 2 plus 18 divided by 2 times 3. Now, inside the parentheses, we still have to follow PEMDAS. There are no exponents, so the next thing we look for is multiplication and division. This is where many people make their mistake. A lot of people think multiplication must always come before division, but that is not true. Multiplication and division have the same priority, so you simply work from left to right. Looking at the expression inside the parentheses, we have 18 divided by 2 times 3. From left to right, the first operation is 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So now the expression becomes 2 plus 9 times 3. Next, we again look at multiplication and addition. Multiplication comes before addition, so we do 9 times 3 first. 9 times 3 is 27. Now the expression becomes 2 plus 27. 2 plus 27 is 29. So everything inside the parentheses simplifies to 29. Now we go back to the full expression. We had 3 multiplied by parentheses, and now the parentheses has become 29. So the problem becomes 3 times 29. 3 times 29 is 87. So the correct answer is 87. Now let's talk about why some people got 15. The mistake usually happens inside the parentheses. Instead of starting with 18 divided by 2, some people look at the expression and do 2 times 3 first. If they do that, then the inside becomes 2 plus 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So now they get 2 plus 3. That gives 5. And then they multiply the outside 3 by 5 and get 15. That is exactly where the mistake happens. The problem is that they did multiplication before division, even though division came first from left to right. And that is the main lesson from this question. When you are dealing with multiplication and division, you do not always do multiplication first. You work from left to right. The same idea also applies to addition and subtraction. They have equal priority, so you also work from left to right. So if you want to solve problems like this correctly, here is the process. First, look for parentheses and simplify everything inside them. Then check for exponents. After that, do multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, do addition and subtraction from left to right.